10 obvious signs a woman wants you to notice her. Do you ever find yourself in a situation where you think a woman may be sending out signals that she wants you to take notice? It can be difficult to tell, but there are some subtle clues that will give it away. Here are 10 obvious signs that a woman is interested and wants you to notice her. 1. She will make eye contact and hold it for longer than usual. 2. She might blush or look away when you catch her looking at you. 3. She may start to stand or sit a bit closer to you. 4. She may start playing with her hair while talking to you or try to touch your arm as she talks. 5. She may attempt to initiate conversations with you more often, even if it's just small talk. 6. Her body language will be open towards you, such as leaning in while talking, pointing her toes towards you, etc. 7. If she is smiling and laughing a lot around you, this could be a sign that she is into you. 8. If she remembers things that you tell her, it is likely that she is paying attention and cares about what you have to say. 9. She may initiate physical contact with you like a hug, pat on the back or shoulder touch when saying hello or goodbye. 10. She might try to get your attention by asking for help with something, even if it's something small and insignificant. If you notice any of these signs from a woman that interests you, it could be a sign that she wants you to take notice. Don't be afraid to take the next step and make your move. Who knows where it might lead? Hope this video answers your question. Comment down below for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to get more tips on how to improve your relationship. Thank you for watching. Good luck.